3 here. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate all of you. Om Adyaye Namaha. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing. It really helps me a lot. Don't forget to check out my website, paradoxastrology.com. Book your consultation today. I can help you with anything. And if you'd like more exclusive occult videos that I don't post on YouTube, consider subscribing to my Patreon. It also helps to support this channel. Okay, let's get into this video. Just a very quick video of how you can balance the energy of the nakshatras. And this will work whether you have planets in there, say you have malefic planets, say your moon is there but it's not that well placed, or any kind of problems you have with any type of nakshatras. How you're going to know if you have these problems as well is you can study the moon as it goes through the nakshatras every month. It goes into one nakshatra roughly every day, except for Rohini, it stays there longer than the other ones. But you can check, like, how was my day when it was in that nakshatra? That's one way to do it. Sometimes there's going to be other things that are going to affect your day, other planets, but this is just a very general way of seeing that. Also, you can check out the dashas that you were in. Say you were in a dasha, moon dasha, and your moon was in Ashwini. How was your dasha? You can check that as well. There's many different ways, but you'll figure it out, especially if you track it daily and you notice, every month when the moon is in Shatabisha, something always happens, or if it's in Ardara, I always end up crying, or something like that, then you'll see what needs to be balanced. But another way that you can tell if it needs to be balanced or not is this. Every nakshatra equals an asana, a yogic pose. So how this works is because the stars are within you. They are not outside of you, okay? The world is a projection of the mind. It is projected. And everything you see is actually vibration, but the way it's vibrating makes it look solid, but nothing around us is actually solid. So whatever is within you is being projected on the outside, and whatever you need to deal with karmically and you need to work out karmically is projected from the inside to the outside. And now it looks solid, and these events start occurring as if we're going through them, but the thing is, you're actually not going through them at all. It's just a projection, but it seems very real. And that's how karma works. And that's how, if you get to a spot of enlightenment, you can go beyond the stars, you can go beyond the karma and the projection. It's like the screen of the projection starts getting holes in it, cracks in the projection, the more you do spiritual work. And you'll start seeing that actually this isn't solid, and the cracks start cracking that projection. And now you see it for what it is. And enlightenment is the projection is gone. You can see the world for what it is, and you can see the projection at the same time, but you're not attached to it. It gets very, very deep. But to balance the energy of the nakshatras, you can do these individual poses. If you master them all, you master your chart. You master everything, because every nakshatra is in your chart, not just the ones that have the planets in them. Say you don't have any planets in Kritika nakshatra, but it's in your 5th house, say. It's still affecting your 5th house. Even though you don't have planets there, then you can put the qualities of the 5th house with Kritika, and that will tell you the quality of your 5th house. So any of these that you can't do, it's telling you that you haven't mastered that energy. That's another way to do it. If it's very, very hard, then you haven't mastered that energy. It's the same as with the planets. The planets all have yogic poses to them. So do the zodiac signs. This is the real meaning of yoga. One of them is to master your own energy. It's not just for exercise. I can tell you, as someone who practices yoga every day, how much it will change your life. And so as you master it, it will become easier and easier. The ones you can do right away, you've already mastered. You already have that from a past life. So there is no negative karma here. Or perhaps you have good karma from that nakshatra that's come forth to this life, and that's why your energy is so balanced, or you've worked it out already in this lifetime. So you can try to do one every day and try to master it. That's one way. You can do it whenever the moon is in that particular nakshatra, and then you can do that yogic pose as long as you can do it for and try to master it every day. As the moon goes into a different nakshatra, you can do that as well. Or you can do it while Saturn's in Uttara Bhadrapada right now. You can start doing that yogic pose to help cure Saturn transit. That's another way of doing it. Another remedy that you can use for the nakshatras is the nakshatras equal different plants and herbs. So what you can do is you can gift someone that plant, for example. That can help manage the energy of that nakshatra. Or you can plant that, or you can purchase that type of plant and water it, take care of it. That is another way of doing it. These are just two special ways that you can do to manage the energy of it. This is your own home remedies, and this can actually change your life for the better. This is kind of a more easier way of doing things, and it's kind of fun at the same time. So let me know how it goes. I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in the next one.